Imagine creating full YouTube videos without ever showing your face, using your voice, or hiring an editor. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is now real. Thanks to a new generation of AI video generators, you can now script, narrate, animate, and publish videos using nothing but artificial intelligence. In this video, we're diving deep into the most powerful free AI video tool for faceless content and how you can use it today. Whether you're camera shy, brand focused, or just want to automate content, faceless YouTube channels are exploding in 2025. Channels making six figures are quietly using AI to pump out daily videos on niches like finance, motivation, tech news, and more. With the right tools, you don't need a team or budget to start. All you need is one powerful AI suite. So let's break down the ultimate free AI video generator and how to use it step by step. The tool we're talking about is Pictory, and yes, it's free to get started. Pictory uses AI to turn text scripts or blog articles into fully narrated, animated videos complete with stock footage, captions, transitions, and even music. You paste in your script, and it does the rest. No video editing experience? No problem. Pictory handles everything behind the scenes. It's drag-and-drop content creation powered by machine learning. So how does it work? First, you log into Pictory and choose from several video workflows. One of the most popular is script to video. You paste in your YouTube script, whether you wrote it yourself or used ChatGPT, and Pictory analyzes the text to break it into visual scenes. Each sentence becomes a scene, and the AI matches visuals from its massive stock video library to bring your script to life. Next, you choose a voiceover. Pictory offers dozens of high-quality AI-generated voices in multiple accents and languages. Want a calm British voice? A confident American one? A warm female narrator? You can preview and select the one that fits your brand. These voices aren't robotic, they've evolved. They sound almost human, with inflection, tone, and emotion built in. After that, you can customize your video style. Choose fonts, brand colors, your logo, or pick from pre-built themes like documentary, corporate, or YouTube casual. Pictory also auto-generates captions for accessibility and SEO. In just 10 minutes, you've created a full video ready to publish, without a single moment on camera or a second in Premiere Pro. But that's just the beginning. If you already have blog content, you can use the article to video feature. Paste in a blog URL, and Pictory will extract the main ideas, rewrite them into narration, and generate scenes for you automatically. It's like turning a blog into a YouTube video on autopilot. Repurposing content has never been easier. This is how media companies scale and now, so can you? And yes, there's a free plan. With the free tier, you get limited monthly exports, watermarked videos, and basic access to templates. But here's the trick. Use the free version to create content, then re-edit or brand it elsewhere if needed. For beginners, it's the perfect playground to start a channel without investing upfront. Many viral faceless channels started this way: low risk, high reward. Let's talk niches. Pictory shines in explicable style content. Think top 10 richest cities, AI news of the week, motivational quotes, or how to save money. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too. These are the kinds of videos that go viral on autopilot, and they don't need flashy editing. They need clear visuals, great voiceover, and solid scripting. That's exactly what Pictory delivers with minimal effort. Pair it with ChatGPT and you've got an unstoppable combo. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts and Pictory to bring them to life. Want to create 5 videos a week? No problem. ChatGPT handles research, scripting, and tone. Pictory handles visuals, voice, and polish. Suddenly, you're running a content factory alone. That's how faceless creators are winning right now. Let's do a quick workflow example. Say your niche is personal finance. You prompt ChatGPT, write a 500-word script on how to build credit in 2025. Copy that into Pictory. Choose a narrator, apply a clean minimalist theme, and hit generate. In 10 minutes, you've got a polished video. You didn't write, record, or film, but you own the content and the channel. This isn't just about automation, it's about reach. YouTube's algorithm favors consistent uploads. With Pictory, you can batch produce a week's worth of content in one afternoon. Use shorts to drive traffic, add affiliate links, build a faceless brand in silence. This is the future of passive income, and it's accessible to anyone with an idea and a laptop. Now let's compare Pictory to other tools. Sure, you've got options like InVideo, Lumen 5 and Synthesia. But most either lock you into paid tiers early, lack free text-to-video support, or aren't beginner-friendly. Pictory hits the sweet spot. Intuitive interface, solid free tier, and a balance of automation and customization. For faceless YouTube creators in 2025, it's a secret weapon. Some creators even go a step further and combine Pictory with AI avatars. Tools like HeyGen and DID let you generate realistic talking head videos using text input. Add that to your Pictory workflow, and you now have an AI face to match your AI voice. It's entirely synthetic, but your audience can't tell. The age of AI YouTubers isn't coming. It's already here. So what about monetization? The good news, faceless channels are monetizable just like traditional ones. As long as your content is original, informative, and consistent, you can grow subscribers, get AdSense revenue, and scale with affiliate deals. Add a product or service? Even better. Many AI-run channels hit monetization within 30 to 60 days with daily uploads. It's not magic, it's systems. Of course, success still depends on content quality. Even the best AI tools need good prompts, smart scripts, and a real value proposition. You can't just upload noise and expect results. The secret? Focus on niches with evergreen value, things people search for every day. Use Pictory to produce consistently and let YouTube's algorithm handle the rest. What's the future? In a word, personalization. Tools like Pictory will soon learn your voice, your editing style, your favorite music. You'll train it once and it'll produce content exactly the way you like it every time. We're entering an era where a single creator can produce more content than a traditional media team. And it all starts with tools like this. Still wondering if it's for you? Ask yourself, do I want to build a brand without showing my face? Do I want to post daily videos with minimal effort? Do I want to earn passively through digital content? If you answered yes, Pictory is your on-ramp. No budget, no burnout, just strategy, automation, and consistency. That's the creator model of the future. Don't wait for perfection. Start with one video. Choose a simple topic. Use AI to script and generate it. Upload it. Watch how it performs. Then repeat. You'll learn, iterate, and improve. The sooner you start, the faster you grow. And the best part? You don't need to burn out, be famous, or go viral. You just need to show up consistently. So here's your action plan. Step 1. Pick a niche. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write a script. Step 3. Paste it into Pictory. Step 4. Choose your voice and visuals. Step 5. Export and upload to YouTube. That's it. No excuses. No budget needed. Just tools, consistency, and time. The best creators of 2025 are quiet builders. Now's your chance to join them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand how to create faceless YouTube videos using free AI tools, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're dropping more deep dives into AI tools, creator strategies, and passive income hacks every week. Got a faceless channel idea? Drop it in the comments below, we might feature it next.